Kasi balikan lang po lang bilang isang ama, bilang ama po ng Philippine National Police.
Well, in a way operation, ewan ko, gagawin na ko lang kasi hindi ako clearance. Tapos hindi na nakakayos yung ako. This time, I think, mamatay na police station sa conference. Talagang iniiwasan. We can avoid these things. President himself
Chief, hingi lang kami ng update sa investigation, yung paghahabol at yung hot pursuit doon sa mga suspect.
well, tuloy-tuloy yan. May let up at least. Dapat na nalagasan tayo. Because size. Lumalabas pa na itong mga ito is parang yung dati mga remnants na pag-grupo actors and kay mga ito tapos natin. So, as to the report, there will be further briefing mga sa lunch pag initially I was told maraming report.
Chief, sabi mo kanina, huwag magdalawang isip kahit may mga politikong may hawak. May information ba tayo na may itong grupo na ito possibly hawak ng mga politik?
We are still getting the further details about this, but apparently this group are being used for that for hire to some to advance political pressure.
So Chief, yung kanina, balikan ko lang, ano yung mga binigay na tulong sa pamilya, doon sa mga nasugatan, sa mga...
Well, there are financial support coming from the CSFP and also from the GDP. Of course, yung assistance sa ating taga Manila, maganda niyang babalik yung
Anong assurance sa family, sir?
well, may bigyan na natin assurance that all the things that is important to them process. As a Bible officer,
How about justice, sir?
well, that's one. Convent na kayo. Will make sure that there's some justice sa mga really also is with these perpetrators pagkamatay nila.
Sir, how's the moral ng tropa dito?
So may appreciation naman, kagaya ng mga nasugatan, kapag bibigyan ko yung iba, nakatatlong operation na ikaw still really fight babalik-balik
Sir, pwede other issues na.
meron ba?
Three.
It's not something that dapat dapat isang nakalagay sa constitution natin our sovereignty yung territory natin nakalagay doon. The PNP is part of this is mandated by law.
Yung panahon ng paghihiwalay niya.
Yung paghiwalay, magkawala naman ng all the federation pa many of them
So, walang reason talaga, sir, na makakantong sa ganun na klase na estado ang bansa natin.
well, that's absurd.